My friends, my people, my mommy and my pa, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my mommy there. My brother and sister, but don't bless, don't come, maybe talk some fine talk, maybe talk something where they see worry me, they don't worry me. Yeah, before I want to start talking my people, I prefer thank the picking and where they come up for bush. Thank you for people where they try to do good work. Now we get for educate our people. Before I start my video, my own opinion, I am one of them. I will continue for the show this sign all time. I am one of them. I know what I'm talking about. Yes, I don't prove them for picture, prove them for many messages. Them say I'm one of them. I know what did happen. I know what did they do. If I don't get the time for can she don't maybe share the idea. I can't talk about my own opinion. Thing what I go through. Don't my video first concern me. The thing what I can't talk here every day for concern me personally. For thing what I go through, thing where my work I go through, thing where my in-law go through, the matter for concern Baron Bless. All the insult what they hear, all the talk what they talk. I don't ever talk too wrong cannot make it right. I don't come for talk about you that happen inside community. We are there talking about solution, but we are talking what is happening for inside community. My inspiration and anything what they go through my people. My people, all this insult what they get every day, not be insult. Now this when I insult on I call that one a message of encouragement. When I insult me, I discover say I'm doing well. And then thing what I do, I'm not be saying the mark me say I do well. No. I don't go talk to what I go through. They call SDB human being. And yet again say me I see prove me someone talks I do well. Now all of my people at the time, my friends, people who they watch my videos, send good message for me of encouragement, of witnesses because they need to talk because fear. I accept when I fear is true. Yes, I accept things that happen down there now all man get for fear. But when I don't forget say Baron Blaze na IDP. I run. I don't come in and if you come out with Africa for come find money for Europe. I'm not a poor man to come and be doing no, I'm not a poor man. I run also the IDP. Don't you remain for the courage, kudos, you are trying. Yeah, you are trying. Congratulations, my friends. My mommy and my papa, them, we are together. Don't I come talk to you to go on for community. I can't explain community problem. The one on video 151. Think what I can talk for video 151 today. Now concerning two parliamentarians. Parliamentarian for whom? Walang. And parliamentarian for Bamuso. My people, I hope say everybody for now, they don't know the truth. All we know the people will cause the problem. The problem be caused by our elite. Because if our elite be they take money for development, do their job, the problem not for they. We for the arguing about different problems. But we see arguing a problem for people who they represent we. They come for go for don quadna, explain about Walang and like proof and parliamentarian also for Bamuso. My people, I get a lot of things for talk concentrate happen for community. My message is for the community problem. What is the cause problem inside we? And we are the solution for the problem. Now I say we did enough for understand, but I come for give some small explanation today, including this my brother them within the out of country, where they call the Anglophone activists. We get for mix on talk to the talk about what happen for them. Yes, my people. Probably election or probably 20 May. We go for mix some small thing, talking where to go on for that. Me, oh my open your ass it will happen. My people, before I first come here, I first stand for parliamentarian for Bamuso. When I see ex-convict Clovis, my country people are picking, Dr. Clovis. That child is a patriot. Is a leader. He come out DDR Center officially. You know, come out for Baba, we come out officially as Mr. Paul Biato. Before I want to continue the video, something don't come for me very fast, me I not forget. I beg all Anglophones, activists for Ambazonia world, because I don't look for talk about Ambazonia, I don't look for talk about that thing because there is no smoke without fire. I not be against you, I'm not there for you, no. I just explain to you to go down for terrain, for free, for Bamenda. I beg my brother Anglophone, an English speaking Bamenda. If your name don't ever come out for this thing where they call us Ambazonia, no shame, forget about folk courage. Forget about folk courage completely. Yes. Go for DDR Center. Start for your ambassade. Call. Ask for on an amnesty. Wherever you are, you can say ask for your amnesty. Legally and prove. Move your hand for this thing. Donald Trump don't show him for the world. Donald Trump don't really show him. Putin they show him. When I see war for Ukraine don't take fire, it don't explode back. Problem there everywhere. war power they show you proof. Any man with the sponsor terrorism need to be arrested. I don't know why I feel send my message, especially for my country people. Wherever, if you're my country people, if you ever listen to my video, and they see beg God make God give some small courage again, some small idea. I know say get the idea. When you catch Ambazonia, publicize it for social media. Show ye and your family, your mommy, your pa, your family. Because when you picking them where they kill them trying for it, so you call them terrorists. But when the money they come out, now for family, now for their families. We know when you picking and get money, we know they don't plaster their front door, pull water, pull light. I'm talking to proofs. See where the picking they take the money down. The one where the cash in the picking, meaning expose the family. I thank God said today we don't sell cash but they sponsor us. They think they come to an end. Now I beg my Anglophone picking the one know my one know them personally. I know plenty teacher they when they be studying thing by throwing pamphlet, by sponsoring money me them buy petrol for go burn place. I know them. I know teacher the way they be sponsor Okada they mean they work at three pamphlet, buy petrol for go burn place. Me una just use some small sense, ask una honesty for una ambassador before the thing catch fire. Yeah, this is the first thing I come to tell my people who I love them. The loving one who I know. You know the for the man for them. Many of you that you are causing problem because you are meant for oversight. But the whole world they find for your integrity and your sovereignty. All man they come back for your country. All we go come back for where we belong. The world they metamorphose. The world they outside. When I know see the way they treat the Africans, all we get for go back home. Don't prepare your mindset because this man what they call and say Pobia is I don't tell when it's a colleague. Colleague means say universal. I know sure say the next president will enter for Chelsea Green thing for DJ Center. Me will key man for Monday, go surrender for Wednesday. I know sure see will happen. They need to catch terrorists, they destroy terrorists and the areas. But we get terrorists when a tenant. We get terrorists where they stay for hotel. When they catch them for hotel, they leave the hotel open. When they catch them, they leave their landlord, leave their mommy, leave pa. That's not how they arrest terrorists. I want to beg my people. Deep picking them where they kill them for Northwest. They are see minors that get 18 years. When I see general for 18, 19 years, many are see minor. Don't worry, you catch picking where be under 18. You go for arrest papa, arrest mommy. I don't know what I love for. We love for, but I don't be in a different part of the world where we love for they be against the normal law. We get a many lawyer for Northwest. The law is the second power in the country, for any country. Law, now the second power for all country. Don't you pick in the way they dance so they don't get family when are lawyers? They don't get cousin when are lawyers? When you catch manos, you get for arrest mommy, arrest papa. They are see children. When I see intellectual, they go lock themselves for because picking for 17 years, they carry gun. But at least, I don't talk for my past video. Something they spoil fix someone. Something must spoil, something must happen before people get sense. Me, I leave this thing for beg my picking them friends, brother, one no when they get love for Baron Blaise, when I ask for an amnesty, when I ask for an ambassador, when I start moving a name for this nonsense, it will take a very brave, very bad bending corner in the whole world. They will fight for arrest the sponsor of people with the sponsor terrorists. Checking them for Bamenda, I'm not calling and says ignorance, but when I call them terrorists, and when I go look the way they embrace when I for Northwest, they don't embrace terrorists. They don't keep terrorists. They keep by the area. They keep by the area where terrorists they. But at least the world metamorphose all man they see. Me I not change my mind now for come to Abican talk for too honorable before I get a lot of things for talk today. And the first time for honorable for Bamuso. When I see ex-convict come up for Bush, clean and clear, declare himself, everybody see him. He declare himself openly through my country people. So tell my country people again them say Doctor Junior, he get many titles. But for me, it's a leader. It's a good patriot picking. I don't always talk say many are coffee or treason. That guy is a big boy. I appreciate my way to do fan work. Your man pass you carry it back. I start video for Concern Ambazonia for 2004. 2009, post and concern Anglophone. The man where they do it on today, I clap for you because God to don't open your own eye. That picking come out for Bush every day, he explain how Eli dey for Bamuso they do no work. He talk for social media, plead them, cry, all man hear, all man see him. But when I see honorable for Bamuso you come today, they talk about the crime way in the EBC for Bush, all for set the picking problem. But thing what come for talk now concerning the elite are misusing their people that they stand for represent them. Parliamentarian for Bamuso talk for social media. The video there for my page, there for Equinox, there for all kind of private media. Because CRTV no do concern Cameroon, CRTV concern a CPGM and the government Lucifers. Private station and get the message for parliamentarian for Bamuso. It don't be woman call for 100 million. All my year, we're not ready for feel like that. It don't be computer, it don't give computer for 20 million. All my year, not ready for feel like that. It don't give empowerment for 50 million. All my year, not ready for fee. It didn't say some people with the call that intellectual, they don't understand English. But I see repeat for talk something. The second power for any country, now law. And we get a lot of lawyer and magistrate for we land. Though if you not be intellectual, incompetent people, they can't tell when we be competent about the kind of English, we're not in the pass for ground. When he talk the thing, Anglophone activists the year, how human being the talk say don't put the amount of money for ground, we're not in no day. When I really talk about now for bargain key innocent people. When I look the way my way stand for the president when I hear the kind of message we come off him up, money we don't spend them. Where if you put that money for ground to but must go turn a city. Be he explain how we no put nothing for ground. All man here, all man see him. Where your brother for whom the parliamentary and Walam. He finish the contract for 93%. Then call, he should say nothing no day. We see all their contract is 93% well done. We're not no day for fee. But today, my people, me I come now for Honorable Walam. Walam wake up today, digital image, we all man the same. Won't get intellectual, won't get landed people, loan na cultural land, loan na Balengwa village. A whole parliamentary wake up, turn na BBC, go show na some pata. A whole village we get name. A whole junction will be commercial where they turn millions where they don't abandon and become Amazonia. For your own land of jurisdiction. He go there, they ask questions for people, he turn BBC. He want make people answer questions for the way he want them. For digital image, for transparency. All man they see them. Anglophone them for upside they see them. Everybody they see where they happen. Any man see them clean and clear. He be BBC. He go ask question. Where the question all be against it for his jurisdiction. But he pass for the question. Tell something where I'll be very happy. Say thank the president. He thank the head of state. For the condition where people they did there, he thank the head of state. For the money where they give for development, he put them for a pocket. Come for the fee. Show the image for digital. I don't know what I understand like me. Now when they don't give the money for come make development, he can put the money for your pocket and then go show the play will never be developed, will be worse. And then thank the head of state. Thank the head of state. When I hear the way that they use people with digital message, transparency, but people in the woman country, they say no register, no vote. 2018, the very people be saying no election. 70 people go vote. But me I get 100%. My people, when I hear this English, I know say when I be too mockery, when I hear something that she done, I'm not doing it for somebody. I'm talking about what is worrying me. Now for my page, Baron Bless, Camden Bless, where I put my video for my page, for things where they worry me. If it worry you too, you think like me. If you don't worry you, send the insults. But too wrong cannot make it right. That's simple truth. The thing where they talk, it worry me personally. For see a whole parliamentarian go shit down for play when I for take money, develop the area. Form people for talk lies. Ruin the house, you know, show the road. He go show a whole village will be abandoned for one person alone. He can stand, say thank the head of state. Oh, when I see him. But the intellectual, sorry for calling the intellectual. The coconut head when they take PTA money, when they say people that land, but they say that land. Mami the intern junkie, borrow money, send them for abroad. Then go be incapable. Then go enter the system. The system hold them for the neck. Then turn activists. Meaning bar gun shoot people. May election not take place. 2018, that's when I be talk. The most Anglophone people where they talk the English. Say may they no register. May they no vote. And the people where they maintain, where they go 70 of them go vote, get 100%. Now when I record them to say La Republique. Say na Cameroon people na the Republic. But they see there for una land. As una say na una land. My people, what is wrong? What is the thinking on that? Where are the intellectuals? Where are the lawyers who didn't go school? Where are the teachers? Because teachers say worse. Teachers are on worse. Because we know say they don't go school. They come on ENS Bambly where we know the amount where they pay. They pay 1.8, 2.2. So they pay 3 million for get matricle. They are there for matricle, not for study. Because I don't believe. Say a whole community go get teacher and magistrate, lawyers, doctors. Can't them with the TV, barrister them. But they are not able to look what happened for their own community. We see everybody they talk now, men and separate because you want a personal income. They are not talking for the problem where they go down, where King Baron they cry every day. Community problem. What caused the problem? They are not talking about. The whole parliamentarian, where he both go she don't for play with where the population don't run away. When I go see the way Batbo get in there for California, they misuse them. When I go see the way man can get in there for Munda, they misuse them. When I go see the way Anglophone and they for upside, they misuse them for Boston. They say for 130 for toy sex. For toy sex. But I thank God for some image where they go on for social media. Yes. Anglophone, they work at all, say Francophone, they draft. Anglophone, say Francophone them. Because no region, no de Cameroon, where don't receive Anglophone they like Bamileke. No region. Because we get a very good governor, Akum governor for West region, where they see people, then become one culture, one people. Welcome. But when the crisis, they beat one people for beat one person from Makanele, where they work farm, where Northwest land be better than that one. Mango Douala, work farm, they can be the Inkwa culture. Now they don't know them that kind of thing. Where they see chop now for chop, they don't get the love. But Bamena we get love. When they beat, when I cry. But when I take Bamileke, them put them for Johnson, fire them. When I take Bamileke, them put them for don't shoot them. When I take people, them cut their head, put them for stick. But they beat when I beat them, when I cry. Then beat lawyer for Douala, when I lock court for 3 days. For Northwest and Southwest. Lock court, when they beat na lawyer. But then kill lawyer when I clap, when I she don't quiet. I don't know what the intellectual we have today. I don't know what Antuka is true. Being intellectual is just a piece of paper with a stamp there. It's not a stamp of intelligence. English speaking, maybe stand for knowledge, my people. We are the solution for our problem. King Baron speaking the problem, what I'm going through. When we hear it, worry you. But when you hear, you understand. It means you to the feel the problem where me at the film. That's St. Petrol. I'm not out to promote me picking and go down. I'm the big picking and put the gun down. Me wanna educate, wanna picking them. We need back basic education. The system of education has failed. Completely failed. People in the one man country, they not be able to take care for their personal self, but they give an advice when I take them back home. They say fool at 40 is a fool forever. When man don't be fool for 40 years, when I know the meaning. But then travel go one man country, we know profession, we know hand work. Then goes into war volunteers is slavery. It work for their head. They tell when I buy a gun key man. Which example are they giving for the America, Germany, London where they stay there, South Africa where they stay there? Which example are they taking? Where their own solution are for buy gun key people. Now for kill their people, keep their mommy in pain. Sorry. My people, these people upside, for my past video I tell you, many of them are bastard. Bastard, they don't know where they're coming from. Because I don't believe. Say today, you go tell some man, when I go to a bomb, for play with your auntie, you don't know your auntie, you don't know your uncle, you don't know your nephew. Yes, you will tell people for 2025, digital election. Say, may they not go register, then go Tivam, as a Tivam. What is the intellectual in your head? How can you be a fool all the time? But let's assume say you don't know. I can't give you all a piece of advice. For 92, there will be tip election. Papa ni John Frunzi. Internet be first opposition in Africa. From Papa Mbia, President Paul Biya, bring democracy. Frunzi Kasham, come on upside. By sharing the cake for everyone. All Cameroonians get right for enjoy minerals monies. That was Frunzi campaign. Today, when they are abroad, say me when I not register, election no go take place. May the very La Republique they remain for chair. May the very La Republique remain for chair. They take money. Me, I finish one before come for the second one where they worry me. Men are very large. Republic still remain for chair year again. Make them go vote 70 people, get 100% again. Continue again what they are doing for now. Men while them continue for chair. That's why when they talk me, they no register. I don't make video. We are not Democrat. Cameroon is a sovereign country. Every country for the world, they fight for your integrity. Because when I don't know who's going to come out, now when I come and say Anglophone, because when I get no community. You want to get community, you cannot call yourself say Anglophone. It's very shameful. The thing why we come to now, we go worry me for the money where they take them for me. 2004, I started work I talk about this blabber marginalizations, bad government. Me, I move myself there because I know when I language them, my own approve. Me, I go what happened for 2015. That very metaquata rule I put on for my page today. We don't turn a swimming pool. 2015, the Pekin never die. AK risky. A great development youth. Pekin will go primary school for my front. I don't stay for that pattern. A talentual child. A God-giving Anglophone child. Businessman where they make development for Norwest. He will come. Go carry stone them for Tipa. Can't try to arrange Metaquata Road. 2015. Then bring problem for Arezi. Say again which can ride for fixed road. Now Chomba picking in America. If he talks the part 2015. Una go Metaquata ask question for all man. People fix coven that bakery all they go tell una. Now AK risky. Picking for Ademeta. Bamenda. Be wake up go text tune them for can fix road. The one Arezi say again which can ride for fix that road. AK risky. Una go inquire again. 2016, God sent Mancho BBC. It's a marginalization. Say don't too much. Because Metaquata will not be the pass, full market will not be the pass, Sonasri be don't condemn, my two it was condemned completely. 2016, Mancho BBC come say marginalization. My brother and sister, my mommy and my papa. I believe that today all we know who the marginalized Anglophone. What I mean by marginalization? Government don't abandon one as one of the talk is true. That means marginalization. But today, resistance don't make we don't know nationality. Now our elite didn't take money enough for develop the place. Now elite didn't take money enough for develop the place. Now elite everybody be aware now say the marginalization come from our elites. They take money enough for develop their community. Because no money, no the way they never pay my people. My people, about my last video, 140, something like that. I come talk about Minister Paul Tasson. He come Bamenda, he last worker for Bamenda. Paul Tasson can't stand for Bamenda, talk to it. Prime Minister don't send him for can start day where to go start work. Say the work they get for start work. Why he come? My people, when I go for a documentation, I talk to one for Anglophone them for upside, where they say me in Chakala Bamenda, the Anglophone intellectuals. Do not listen to me. France don't give money for national conference. France give money for develop for the B, Northwest and Southwest. France give that money. I have proof saying that. China give money like 3 times, billions. France give billions, China give billions. Turkey give money 1 time. Germany give money 2 times. London give money 1 time, billions. America give money like 3 times. The last money with Minister Tasson Paul come Bamenda. I think how many billion again where they give them again for the construct Bamenda. Every day when they give the money, they can't turn up for our front for Ayaba or for station. Say now the reconstruction start, all the money is there. Every day they're telling you the very language. 2022, you ask the parliamentarians, say, but when I don't talk, say they say no, they want me Ambazonia will come down. Now peace don't come. They will start the contract. We are in 2025. Nothing never take place. When a retirement governor, the governor no will not keep it for day. It already go retirement long time ago. Retired governor will not see where Anglophone feel right. Governor did for some region for 9 years, picking and die ECD for the place. We already go retirement. No Anglophone need to talk. No intellectual need to talk. No barrister where they go school need to talk. But finally, who is killing who? Who is, and you are still having that 2 gizzard for turn up for social media. Make Bamenda people no go register for everything where people dey talk. My people, register, enter the game. You are not registering for president. We are not prepared for presidential election. What is the worry me for Bamenda? Na parliamentarian, senator, and the mayors. No, they are incompetent. When I use that on social media, enter the game. Enter the game. Take the mayor, take the parliamentarian, take the senator. Take the very money. Use national status. Use decentralization. Be your own community. When I say Anglophone, Bamenda na some village. Na man can be that. Any man talk about a village. I give some kudos for picking them from Njikwa. 2009, I make video. My first video that I talk about Njikwa picking them with they abandon their village and their culture. But Njikwa don't say come back. Kudos Njikwa people. You are doing well. I come for Irene people. You are doing well. Now community get for fight for themselves. When I get for fight for our community, they show feel for home where market square don't disappear. Palace no them. When I imagine the way people for that side the reason. Are there no Cameroonians? Why? Because one person called elite, and the elite can't stand up for they ask question on the BBC. Yin that for do what you can ask a question. They say they listen the way the part talk. If it's the government, who is the government? My people, I talk for the one for Anglophone intellectual. What do you mean by parliamentarian? Finally, you don't know what I mean by parliamentarian. When I get problem, you go call government. Some person some person stand for represent una. Any community is represented by some peoples. You cannot leave the people that represented you and then go and complain for government. My people, what is wrong for the intellectual in Norwest? Them born una all have the gonorrhea and syphilis. What kind of mental slavery that for our brain? Where people where they don't pay for their life, they're not capable for eat, they're not able to take care for themselves. Full are 40, full are 50s. Where they never ever do something for Cameroon. No one no get part-time we don't pay for Cameroon. No one no get some business we don't do for Cameroon before it fail. At least now 1 or 2% fit the upside where they run because of problem. You know, we say they fail, the phone has stopped, but 97% are failures. They are talking without thinking. Cameroon government the old teacher? No. Cameroon government the old government worker? No. Teachers are complaining because of their bonuses. They're not complaining about their salaries. All the contract is paid with proofs. But you are upside and say no election. May la Republic continue again for the do that what they do and how can we live in this condition for 9 years? Person come out here the time the head of state. Then the condition of the people is very good for him. Man, what is wrong, my people? My people, I don't get time for canto. I don't get time again because it seems like I did come now because I don't tell when I realize I sick. I did for other maladies, if you're malade. Don't want to come talk to you, they give me again more problem. Some man will me say I fat na stress. There's no place like home. For you not voluntary slavery. I'm not happy where I am. I don't come to one man country for come find money. No. I'm here like RGP. You don't come for the extent where I get problem for every side. Plus my own in-law, they no one see me. My own brother, they call me Anglophone. Now I take that my Anglophone character come out for there. Mais qu'est-ce qu'on veut au sérieux là? What is they be wrong with they behave like swine among them? Ah, Django, and the at least when I shake on the brain. Come on, sir. Election 2018 was analog. Now we are digital. The whole world go see election. The whole world will Cameroon for see election. When I take the position for it, I move the date, when I move CPDM. When I move CPDM for na land, they are not up to 3%, they are causing the problems. What caused marginalization? Because development is not going through. And what caused that? Our representative. Come on, sir. Why with the interest of office you saw and see the proprietor? Why? Because I'm a big man. We enter for my company, want to see the CEO, not me. Some person they represent people. For upside for one man country, when I get someone to go and say supervisors, when I get ship the boss. You never take your problem, go see boss who never pass through shop the boss. We have the representative where they are not doing their job and all the money is paid. Why are we causing problem for where there is no problem? My people, when I get feelings for seeing my media so far, you are living abroad that they are protecting girl child. And you are living abroad by buying gun to kill the girl child. But what is wrong for us? What is already touched with brain when no man is thing for the village? When I look Bamenda Road for 2025, where they don't pay all the contract money, my country people they talk for up, they pay the money. Many of you since 2020, 2016, 17, we are complaining they are paying billions. You people are complaining for national conference for 2019. They pay some billions for reconstruction and for pay people with don't burn their property. They make well Cameroon. I don't know Anglophone they know how. They create some different posts for big man for mayor. He worker for all Northwest. Say mayor are not doing their job. They pay people, make the worker see people that palace has the way the wrong bond. Business make they repay them back. Why is the billions? The elite don't want to do the job because there's insecurity. But to be their compound, to be their houses, have mayor, city mayor be that compound. He get security for be compound. He get security for be church. But he get insecurity for be to go. Oh, Papa God, no me. I thank God because that one I'm papa. See me go back granite, go back gun. If your own man be the buy your own gun, when I know they can't go on for buy them, I will buy snippers. What for the take talent for France, kill for US. When I want to buy gun, massa, Anglophone, shake your brain. English Bamenda, shake your brain. I don't talk about Southwest when I shake my brain. My people, may I come to video 151? I'm very annoyed. I'm annoyed.